Hi, my name is Nicole Snow, and I'm the founder and CEO of Darn Good Yarn. Welcome. You might not know this, but Darn Good Yarn is more than a yarn company. We are a small business that believes that a world of good can come from doing business the right way. If you hang out with us, you'll hear us talk about starting at love a lot. Starting at love is what we're all about here, but what does it really mean? Well, for us, starting at love means being compassionate with the intent to make a positive change in the universe. We believe the application of starting at love with everything we do leads to a happier world. Although Darn Good Yarn started out with the hopes to provide cool yarn to cool people, we quickly realized that we have an obligation to do more and serve the world with a more robust framework. So Darn Good Yarn starts at love by ensuring that our actions match up with our words. To do this, we created 6 core values that we live by. They are integrity first. This is a nod to my background in the Air Force. There I learned that it's vitally important to do the right thing when no one is looking, and that staying strong to your morals no matter what is paramount. Second is teamwork always. This value has been my favorite to see blossom. While we are a small team, we are driven to great things and we love making you happy. We listen and are always working to provide you with the best experience. The third core value that defines Darn Good Yarn is our creative innovation. I realized that I could take my crafty side and integrate that with technology to allow us to flourish over the years. What this does is exciting. It provides the pathway for us to do even more in the world. It's through innovating creatively that we are able to do more and be more than a yarn company to you. We can be part of your lifestyle and you can feel great about your purchases. The fourth value is attracting positivity. I know it's a weird one, but we're kind of weird and proud of it. We believe that when you put positivity into the universe, you will attract it. So when the world is chaotic, we combat it with digging down, doing a great job, and yes, we light incense, feng shui our work areas, and have more crystals than we like to say. The fifth and sixth core values tie together. They are thoughtful sourcing and be human and kind. We put a ton of work into curating a beautiful collection of items that fill your world with creative and artistic sparks. While doing this, we remember that we are all humans living on Earth together. So infusing human respect into our sourcing is vital and at the core of Darn Good Yarn's origins. Being human and kind is just that. Being human is great when you feed on positivity and push negativity aside. Starting at love is a lot easier when you do this. Thanks for learning more about this little company that we pour so much love into. We can't wait for you to continue your journey and grow with us. Start at love and join us. See you soon.